Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shamal Jardana and today I'll show you how to use a custom app to automate phone number collection and verification. First open this link in your browser. Then click sign up and try this app. You must sign up for Zapier if you don't already have an account. If you have an account, please log into your account in Zapier. A free account will also work for this tutorial. This is our SAP template to create the automated number collection and verification SAP in 3 simple steps. Before using this SAP, there will be a bit of setup you will need to do in creating a Google form and a Google Sheet. Let's set up your Google form and Google Sheet next. Use Google Forms to gather information from prospective clients, including their phone numbers. Open a new tab, go to Google Apps and open Forms. Start a new form. Start by naming your form to reflect its purpose. I will name my form as Customer Information Form. Then click on the default file name at the top to customize it, making it specific to your needs. Then set up the fields. Add the questions you need by selecting the appropriate question types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or text entry, depending on the information you are collecting. Add 2 questions here, name and phone. To effectively organize data collected from Google Form along with the additional details provided by Numverify, you can set up a Google Sheet to include specific columns for each piece of information. Then open Sheets from the Google Apps. Start a new spreadsheet. Let's add a title that matches the purpose of our data collection, like Customer Contact Validation. Then set up columns for Google Form data. Column A and B for Google Form data, name and phone, to store the data collected from the Google Form. Let's set up the columns for Numverify data. Column C, Verify. Column D, Country. Then Career. Line type. International format. The international format column will store the phone number in international format as written by Numverify. Customize this format of this column to show the phone number in international format with the plus sign as written by Numverify. Now you are ready to return to Zapier and automate the SAP on the link you opened earlier. This step requires you to link your Google account to access your Google Forms. Link your account, click Allow. After linking your Google account, click Continue. The next step is trigger. Here select the Google form you created earlier. And continue. Then test your trigger. I suggest you to do an input into your Google form and submit it before you test the trigger. To do it, go to the Google form you created. Either you can use this preview option, or you can click send and get the link to your Google form as you do it in the actual scenario. Now add data to your Google form. I have my test data. I'll add my test data to my Google form. After adding data, submit the form and go back to the SAP and click test trigger. Now you need to select the recent Google form submission and click the button continue with selected record. Find new records. If your records are not there, the recent record is not there, click find new records, then it will come. Add another action in SAP to call Numverify API. For phone number validation, once the phone number is captured in the Google Sheet. Continue through the next step to use Numverify, which is provided in this SAP template. Click sign in. When prompted, paste your Numverify API key into Zapier. To get an API key, you must sign up for Numverify. You can do so at https://numverify.com. Click sign up button. You can find the subscription plans here, including the free plan. But to add to your SAP, you need to sign up for any of the paid plans here because it needs HTTPS encryption. Choose the subscription according to your requirement and click sign up. Fill out the form and click the create account button. Then you can sign into your account. You will find your Numverify key in your Numverify dashboard. After pasting the API key, click continue. After continuing to the next step, position and click your cursor in the box beside the default phone number to reveal the option to insert data. Select the phone number field from your Google form. Don't worry that there may be some field names that you didn't set up or don't recognize. Delete the previous default phone number and just continue with the Google form phone number. Then test the step. Continue after the result. Continue with the option to create spreadsheet raw. Choose the Google account that you use to create the Google Sheet here. Click sign in and choose the Google account. Allow and continue. Here you need to choose the drive, spreadsheet and worksheet. By default this will be the name you saved the spreadsheet as, and sheet 1 if you didn't name the worksheet tab. Use the data written by Google Form and Numverify to fill in the respective fields in your Google Sheet: name, font, country, career, line type, international format. For each field that you want to populate on your spreadsheet, first choose the fields that you are automating with Google Form submissions. Then choose the fields that you are automating with Numverify responses. Verify, career, and line type, and the international format. Your completed SAP form will look something similar to this. The spreadsheet fields mapped to Google Forms will have a different icon than those mapped to Numverify validation responses. Then continue and test this step. Once successful completion, a message will appear. A spreadsheet row was sent to Google Sheets about seconds ago, and you will have the option to publish the SAP to automate further Google Form submissions. Then publish your SAP. Then check your Google Sheet for the updated test results. Your record is there. Let's add another record to the Google form. Let's publish. Now it's published. Now you can add another record through the Google form and check if it's work. Go to Google form. Then I have my test data. Add the name and the phone number. and submit the form. Then go back to the Google Sheet and check. It will take a few seconds to get updated. You'll have to wait few seconds. It takes time. Here it is. It's updated. Thank you for watching our tutorial. To take your phone number validation to the next level, sign up for Numverify today and experience the full range of our powerful global phone number validation and lookup JSON API features. Thank you.